Now, let's see the factors which make democracy a favorable government, or why the people actually like this government so much. The first feature is that it is a government which is accountable in nature. That is, the rulers know that they shall be in power only if they please and look after the people. They will be removed by ballots next time if they do not actually exercise their responsibilities properly. So they are accountable. Next is the quality decisions they feel are being taken when more heads join to take a decision. As against this, the people said that what happens is, when many people take decisions, it is a delayed decision. But those in favor of democracy feel that when a decision is being taken by many people, it definitely is a decision worth equality. Next is, this government can deal with all the differences. Now you will wonder how. It so happens that sometimes I am in power and sometimes you are in power. Sometimes I am out of power and sometimes you are out of power. So we need to respect each other. We need to bridge our differences. Otherwise, when I am in power, I will be bad with you. And when you are in power, you will be bad with me. So we have to resolve our differences. And these are best resolved in a democratic country. It also enhances the dignity of an individual because of the political, social, economic and the religious rights which are given, especially the political, when I have the right to get elected and to elect. This makes me a true citizen, makes me a citizen worth a dignity. Next is, this government gives lot of room for correcting mistakes. That is, whenever I make a mistake, the people put me out of power and I learn where I was wrong and try to improve, and next time I do not make mistakes and I pledge to the people that I shall be better than what I was earlier. So all these features make democracy a popular government. But in today's world, we see that the democracy has changed its shape. Earlier we had direct democracy wherein people would sit down in a room, decide yes or no, and the decision would be taken. But now that's not possible. The new form of democracy which has come forward is the representative democracy. That is, we elect our representatives who on our behalf actually rule the country. Now, why do we have representative democracy? It is because the population is very large now, and physically all of us cannot collect at a place and raise our hands in favor or against a decision. Besides, there is no time and will with the people to participate in the working of the government. Therefore, representative democracy is the only alternative that we have in the present world. This is the only way by which we can run our country, or any country for that matter, in the world. That was all about your chapter democracy. So, that was the end of your second chapter, Civics Class 9. Thank you.